To pay with a Revolut virtual card, start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to the Cards section. Here you will find all your available cards, including your virtual cards. If you do not have a virtual card, you can create one by clicking on the Add New Card option and following the prompts. Once you have identified your virtual card, take note of the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will need these details to make a payment. When you are ready to make a payment, go to the website or app of the merchant you want to pay and select the payment method as credit or debit card. Enter the card details from your Revolut virtual card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any transaction issues. After entering the card details, review the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You will receive a notification from Revolut to confirm the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, the transaction will be processed, and the funds will be deducted from your Revolut account. It is essential to keep your virtual card details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Always keep your phone and the Revolut app password protected, and never share your card details with anyone. If you notice any suspicious transactions, contact Revolut customer support immediately to report the issue and get assistance. Using a Revolut virtual card to make payments is a convenient and secure way to shop online or in-app. The virtual card is not linked to your physical card, and you can freeze or unfreeze it anytime, giving you more control over your spending. Additionally, you can set a spending limit on your virtual card to avoid overspending. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily use your Revolut virtual card to make payments online or in-app. Remember to always keep your card details secure and monitor your account activity regularly to avoid any potential issues.